Poke is one of the traditional food that represents Hawaiian culture. Just like the sushi culture from Japan, poke is now widely acknowledged around the world. And because of its simple recipe, it is often arranged into a variety of ethnic style. If you use some Japanese seasoning and ingredients, it turns into a Japanese taste. This video gives you a hint to make a unique gunkan style rolled sushi infused with poke. First of all, make a cup of Nigiri soy sauce by simply combining soy sauce, mirin, and sake in a pot in the ratio of 1:1:1 and heat up to boil. Chop a block of fish of your choice and dip it in the marinade sauce you just prepared. Leave it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes to penetrate the flavor. Cut a pack of mozuku seaweed into smaller segments. Chop shiso leaf. If you prefer spicy taste, chop some jalapeno here as well. When the fish is ready, mix all the ingredients in a bowl. Add some rice bran oil to your preference. Make pieces of gunkan sushi base. Please watch the video about how to make gunkan sushi for this specific task. Scoop a pinch of poke mixture and fill in half of the gunkan base. Slice open the top edge of a quail egg without breaking the yolk. Scoop out only the yolk and place it on the other half of the gunkan. Sprinkle some sesame seeds and decorate with a piece of dillweed.